Mary Moppet's Gill, a fun and exciting STEAM activity lab. Let's learn how to make a paper helicopter. This activity is an example to experience the four forces of flight: weight, lift, thrust, and drag. Weight is the force of gravity. It acts in a downward direction towards the center of the earth. Lift is a force that acts at right angles to the direction of motion through air. Lift is caused by difference in air pressure. Thrust is a force that propels a flying machine in the direction of motion. Engines produce thrust. Drag is a force that acts opposite to the direction of motion. Drag is caused by friction and difference in air pressure. How do regular helicopters work? Regular helicopters work because they produce lift or ascent. Lift is an upward pushing force that occurs when the blades of the helicopter rotate and a difference in air pressure is created on either side of the blades. Under the blades, the air pressure is higher, and above the blades, the air pressure is lower, and this causes the helicopter to ascend into air. Let's get started with our paper helicopter. The materials we need are paper or cardstock, paper clips, scissors. Cut paper to the size of 2 inches by 8 inches. From one end of the paper, at a distance of 3 inches, draw a dotted line. Divide this into 2 equal portions with the help of a solid line. At a distance of 1 inch from the dotted line, draw a solid line. Divide this line into 3 portions with the help of 2 dotted lines. Erase the middle portion of the solid line. From the other end, at a distance of ½ inch, draw a dotted line. Name the portions as A, B, C, and D. Remember to cut along the solid lines and fold along the dotted lines. Our template is now ready. Let us cut along this solid line. Cut along these 2 solid lines. Now fold section A towards you. Fold section B away from you. Fold section C along the dotted line. Fold section D along the dotted line. Fold the end of section C and D towards you. Add a paper clip to the folded edge. Our paper helicopter is now ready to fly. Let's drop the paper helicopter from a height. The paper helicopter comes down spinning. How does a paper helicopter work? Paper helicopters do not produce lift or ascent, but the force of air upward on the blades as they fall causes the paper helicopter to spin. As the paper helicopter falls, air presses down on each of the blades, with equal force but in opposite direction, and the helicopter spins around. Do try out this wonderful and exciting engineering project. You could make some changes to the basic paper helicopter, like adding additional paper clips to see what weight does to the spinning of the helicopter. You could make the paper helicopter in different sizes and see which works better. Happy exploring. See you soon on the next session of Merry Mopeds Guild.